Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it all. Girl, girl, see me falling, fall from my sky. Panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional.
Okay, so hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these braids that I have. I wouldn't say box braids because I would use free pie method rather than box method, but yeah, these braids. So these braids go down to my waist, and I used impressions hair. I don't have the packet anymore because I threw it away while I was tidying up, so I'll just insert a picture somewhere over here. And yeah, so I used one packet of 1B/33, which is the brown tints that you see, and then 3 packets of 1B, well 2.5 because I used half a packet of old hair because I didn't have enough. So for this hairstyle I would say 4 packets of impression hair would do the trick. For the first 2 packets I cut them in half, and for the last 2 packets they were cut into 3. So those were for the back, and then the front was cut in half so that everything would meet at the bottom. So yeah, so for this hairstyle I used jam, a comb, some clips, and that was about it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and press the bell to be notified every single time I upload, which should be every Wednesday, which has not been for a very long time because I'm just busy with work, but I'm trying to be more consistent and just getting content out there for you guys to help you with the DIY or just to promote my hair business. So if you didn't know, I do hair. So if you would like me to do your hair and you live in the UK, you can go onto my hair Instagram, which is hair by ads, which will be down below, and you can just email me. The email will be there, also down in the description box. My email will be there. Email me what you would like. I do braids, twists, crochet braids, faux locks, natural hair styling, and that sort of thing. I do not do weave though, but yeah, so I will just let you guys go ahead and watch this video, and I hope. Okay, so as you can see, the majority of my hair is complete. I just parted 3 sections so I can show you guys how I do my braids. I haven't done braids in a long time, like a whole head of braids, so I'm really excited. So this is all I have left, so I made sure it's enough for 3. So I'm just gonna get my section, which is about this size. I'm gonna separate into 3 just so I have enough. I know I have enough. So I've got my 3 sections. Gonna put these 2 away. And I've got my first section here. Okay, so to get this hairstyle, I used 4 packets of impressions hair. So I only bought 3, and I had a 4th one at home, luckily, which was cut a little bit shorter, so I had to stretch it out. So the bits that I'm using now are shorter than what the rest of my hair was, so I had to stretch it out so it could be the same length. So they're a little bit shorter, but it blends in at the end of the day. So first I'm going to pull out the strand, and then take the third like so, wrap it over, and then once again I'm going to pull this strand so one side is longer, and do the same for this side. And then this is how I'm going to start it. So I'm going to unravel one piece. I'm going to do this one. So for this one I'm going to try to talk through it, and then the next one I won't talk through it, so you can just see what I'm doing. So I'm going to pin the other sections away. Then I'm going to get some jam and put it around the perimeter of my pattern just to make sure all the hair gets in, and then I'm going to add a little bit on the ends so the ends blend in. And then I'm just going to separate my hair into 3 because when I put jam on the ends it sometimes becomes hard to split it when I'm about to braid. So this time I'm left-handed, so everything I do you're going to do opposite. So the side I looked over, I'm going to grab it with my index and thumb from my left hand, and then my index finger for my right hand is going to be in between the other side, and then I'm going to twist it around like this and open it with my thumb and index on my right hand and put it behind my left index like so, and then I'm ready to braid. I'm going to show you that again. So the side that I looped, I'm going to hold it with my thumb and index of my left hand like so. my index finger from my right hand is going to be in between the other two. I'm going to twist it away from me, so away from me, and then when I'm twisting, my thumb is going to go in there, so both my index and thumb are holding these two strands apart. And then I'm going to put it, put my index of my left hand through, and then I have 3 strands like so. And then I'm going to begin to braid, so let me zoom in. So I'm going to separate my hair into 3, adding each section of my hair with braided hair. So this section with this section with the middle, and then this section with this. And then I'm just going to simply braid like I'm braiding my real hair. Just braid it down, so I stay in this position for 3 braids just to make sure that my hair is firmly attached. Then I'm going to bring my hands around and then continue to braid down like so. And then if I feel like I need to, I'm going to add some more jam to my hair just so it blends in easier. And sometimes I even get my comb and start combing it in so that it blends seamlessly, and just braid all the way down. So I keep braiding and smoothing out my hair, making sure it stays in the braid like so. If I need to borrow, I borrow. And there you have it. So I'm just braiding all the way down to the very end. I like to braid my hair till I cannot braid anymore, especially on clients' hair. Sometimes when I'm doing my hair I get a bit lazy and leave a bit, but with clients' hair I like to braid all the way till I cannot braid any longer.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She a number 1 lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you wanting, I got it all, girl, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky, panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire, up to the morning after. Now she's moving on.
She my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She and me A1, now so me say. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wonder. She and me A1, now so me say. She wants to wonder. Bad man, na na na. Kiki, young buds baby. I see.
Okay, yeah, so this is the finished product. These are my box braids. As you can see, they come down to literally my waist, and I am 5'10", or 5'10", I'll say. I'm 5'10", so they are pretty long. They could be longer, but I work in school, so I don't want to distract you. So this is how long they get to. The back is shorter than the front because of the hair situation. I started in the front, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like when it's all back. It's quite full because I started in the front and made my way back. which I saw somewhere, I don't remember where, somewhere on YouTube, that is a better way to make your hair look full when you use this part ends rather than starting from the back and make your way forward. So yeah, I'm just going to do a 360. I'm really loving it. I haven't had a whole head of braids in so long. It feels good. So these are my parts. This is what the back looks like. It's really heavy. It hurts a little bit when I put it up, but other than that, which is, you know, normal for braids, but other than that, it's all good. And I'm now gonna mousse my hair, spray a little spritz on it just to make sure it stays nice and sleek, and then I will dip it in hot water. But I'm not going to dip it on the camera because it's dangerous and I don't want to mess up my camera or burn myself or mess up my room, because I prefer to not dip my hair in my room.
She wants to wonder.
She on me, yeah, that's what we say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me I own, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it all, girl. Girl, see me falling, fall from my sky. Panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional.
Okay, yeah, so these are the finished results. So I hope you like this video, hope you learned from it. Be sure to share it with anyone you feel might like it, like your mum, your dad, your uncle, your auntie, your husband, your brother, your sister, your wife, anyone. And yeah, so I will see you in the next one. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, comment down below what you thought, and yeah.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She on me, yeah.